Hello my friends, I come up with new video and in it you will get through the 48 hour startup philosophy. For anyone with a dream to start up on their own, there are endless airport bookshop filled with build a billionaire build a $1 billion company manuals. But what if your dream is not to build the next Apple? What if your dream is more realistic? For many of us, the most important thing that we are searching for in life is freedom. Freedom from the monotony of job we hate, freedom to make a living doing something we love, to work the hours we want to work, and to do business in whatever way feels right to us. For me, starting a business to get rich somewhat misses the point. The adventure that I have had in growing my business, the fun I have had, people I have met, and places I have visited are the things that I treasure more than the material possessions I have been able to buy. The idea that starting a business can be your route to freedom and adventure, to doing what you were born to do, can for some people be a slightly overwhelming prospect. A lot of people labor over their ideas, scheming and planning for years on end, with a worry that their idea is not quite right yet. That may be they need to do more market research to completely sure that it won't be a total flop. More than anything, this fear of failure stops people from pursuing their dreams. We hold ourselves back from what we deserve in life because we worry that if things don't work out as they should and we end up with egg on our faces, people will laugh or worse that they won't give us another chance. Having met hundreds of people who struggle with this very real fear, it got me thinking, what if the risk of taking the plunge could be taken out of the equation? Is there maybe a way of starting a business that can allow people to dip their toe into the water rather than jumping it at the deep and risking everything? Perhaps if this were possible, I figured more people would be willing and able to follow their hearts. Maybe it's your dream to start a business and for it to because you knew and for it to become your new full-time career. Maybe you just want to try something out for a bit of fun on the side. Or perhaps you already have business but want to find a way of testing out some new product ideas without betting the farm. Whatever reason you have for taking on this experiment, I very much hope that the experiences, tools and tricks I have included in this help you to get closer to your goals. I am pretty confident that if you put in the focus and energy required, they will. There are lessons I have learned and tools I have found that can make the process of going from idea to first customer a whole lot quicker. Although the businesses I have started and indeed the business you will start are all very different. Many of steps we all go through are almost exactly the same because starting a business is a road that's been walked before. You had be crazy to try to figure out every step of the route from scratch and on your own. Feel free to look at a cheat sheet. the basic essentials you need to know about the key steps of developing an idea and getting it to market quickly. By by hot wiring the whole startup process in this way, you will be able to do in days what most startup and entrepreneurs spend months on. Sure, you won't build a billion-dollar company in a weekend, but you will be amazed at what you can achieve with a methodical process and, above all, 2 days of complete focus. The progress you make in your first 2 days will most likely give you the confidence to take your idea even further. And of course, the story of every successful company in the world begins this way. Someone overcame their fears and took the first step. In this video, you get through an idea that how you can make a startup to start to within 48 hours, and until the weekend ends it could be yes by your side. Get started with your own idea and own business and own freedom of work. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. I am seeing that everybody is watching but still no one is subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe and I wish that you all are happy and God bless you all.